Hi, today we're gonna making a steamed eggplant. It's a Chinese skinny eggplant. So we use around 3 or 4, okay? All you have to do, you just cut it. Cut it like that. Like that, okay? Another thing is we need to put 1 tablespoon of salt in the water. And 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar in the water. 4 cup, 4 cup of water. And so you cut the eggplant to half. Like that. Just soak it in there, because you need to have that, because otherwise they will turn black. You put it in there and so they don't turn black. So you kind of soak that in a little bit. Alright, then we're going to steam them. So we put them up and put it on the plate so we can steam them. So like that. So we put it in there for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's about 5 minutes right now. They're still white color, and also you use a fork, see they can go through, see? They are soft, real soft. Like that, that means it's done, okay? And after that, we're gonna take it out. Before that, we're gonna make the, put the sauce in it too. We need about four pieces of garlic, chop up garlic, 4 pieces, and four pieces of green onion, chop up green onion. Okay, a little bit of that red pepper, red cayenne pepper. Okay, just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay. If you want to have, you can put more into it, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. After that, we're going to mix them together. So you pick this up, put it in there. So you just mix them together. See that you put the vinegar and salt in it, so they don't turn black, so they still white. So that look better. See? And also we're gonna sprinkle some of the sesame seed in it. Sesame seed in it. Okay, then we're gonna put it on the plate. Alright, then you put them on a plate. Okay, this is a steamed Chinese eggplant.